saying yes to life, finding calm and peace as we grow older. What would our life look like if we were fine with what is going on? If there were no inner fighting against what's happening? And what would change if we would really live this, not just understand or think it through? These questions have been with me for many years, and I have worked with them intensively. And I've experienced how much peace and calm arises from the inside when I truly say yes. Saying yes out of clarity, not resignation. If we look more closely, one thing becomes very clear. What shapes our life is mostly not what happens to us, but how we relate to it. And our way of relating to something is something that we've learned over time. When we regularly take time to become still, something actually changes. Our constant inner movement and our constant inner speed slows down. That inner movement creates a lot of tension. And when we take that speed and tension out and slow down, we actually get a certain distance to what is going on. And from that distance, we can see things much more clearly. From that state, it's much easier to see what our patterns are and who we really are and what belongs to us and what not. And it's also easier to differentiate the ideas of who we should be or could be from who and what we actually are right now in this present moment. And from this clarity, we can see our thinking patterns clearly. And one of these patterns that are usually not very helpful is judging things into good or bad. We judge everything, everyone, into good or bad. And that judgment actually rules out a lot of opportunities, possibilities, and creates a more narrow perspective of life. Let me use aging as a very clear example. For some people, it's a blessing, and for some, a nightmare. Of course, aging comes with challenges for all of us. There is no doubt about that. If we are really honest, there are only two facts in life that are 100% clear. One, we will age and grow old, hopefully, and two, we will die. So looking at it from that perspective, we could say, if we grow old, it's a blessing because our journey is still continuing. We are still here. And we have the possibility to experience what it feels like. We can also choose another perspective. We can cling to our youth, how we used to look like or what we felt like, what life was like back then. Usually we start idolizing youth and in remembering it seems even more good than it actually was. But if we stay stuck there, then of course we may judge growing old as something that is robbing us, something that we've lost along the way. In fact, it's not robbing us. It is enabling additional life experiences. And I must say personally that I see it as a blessing. I am enjoying the journey continuing. And I'm saying that having a number of health issues myself and having had them along the way. I'm glad to still be here, because being here is being alive. And being alive and making all the experiences that life grants us, it's a gift. And I must also say that I'm fascinated by it. Experiencing how the body changes, how the mind changes, how the energy changes, how different I look. It's fascinating to really experience it. And we can really enjoy it freely if we take a step back from society's obsession with youth. And also taking a step back from the habit of not being satisfied or content with what is. And I remember a couple of years ago, I went to the office and one of my female colleagues said to me, "Oh, Rose, I can really see that you're aging now." And I thought, yes, so can I. It's fascinating because this is the first time I'm experiencing it. We always have a choice. We always have a choice. We can accept it, we can fight against it, or we can just be fine with what is. And that is a powerful spiritual practice in its own. Fighting against it steals our own energy and robs us of our joy. This energy is used in a much better way in just being present and enjoying what is. And also staying curious, because we haven't been there. It's every day is a new experience if we're ready to be on this journey, on our own life's journey. So what would happen if we simply said yes? Yes to what is. Whether it's aging or something else that is going on. Just saying yes, accepting things as they are. This choice alone opens a door to inner peace, to calm, to contentment. And it adds just enough spice, this little sense of curiosity to experience life as it is right now. Now the new year lies ahead of us. And with it, for sure, we will see many joys and many challenges. I still keep my practice very simple. Saying yes to what is, not because I necessarily like all of it, but because I prioritize my peace and my contentment. And this attitude helps me create some distance and reach the level of clarity that I need to decide of how I want to handle things. A new year brings new opportunities, a new opportunity to say yes to 2026 with what it brings. Maybe say yes to life in 2026, and may it bring you peace, calm, and joy, as well as many, many good moments. Thank you for your time and for being here. I appreciate you, and I'll see you soon.